What if your laptop could clean the air while you work or game? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Asus just made it a reality. The new Asus VU Air Ionizer series isn't just about high performance, it's designed to make your environment healthier, dust-free, and easy on your eyes. Let's dive into the details. Asus has introduced built-in air ionizers in their latest gaming and work-focused laptops. Unlike traditional air filters, this system requires no maintenance, just pure air purification using nano-ion technology. It removes up to 90% of airborne dust in just 3 hours. It eliminates pollen and allergens, perfect for a cleaner workspace, and covers a 1 meter cubic area, purifying the air right from your screen. These aren't just health-focused laptops, they come with top-tier specs for gamers, designers, and everyday users. Here are some of the Asus VU Air Ionizer series models. The VU249HFIW with a 23.8-inch Full HD display, the VU279HFIW with a 27-inch Full HD display, and the VU34WCPIW 34-inch 4K ultrawide with a 1500R curve. With a 100Hz refresh rate and 1 ms response time for ultra-smooth gameplay, smooth motion tech minimizing ghosting in fast-paced action, and Eye Care Plus with a tough Rhineland certified low blue light and flicker-free tech to reduce eye strain. Asus is also thinking sustainability. The VU series packaging transforms into desk accessories like phone stands or laptop risers, reducing waste. So, what do you think? Is this the future of gaming and work laptops? Would you buy an air cleaning laptop? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.